continue to contribute to the development of the state. That she will be able to do through the Association of Retired Heads of Service and Permanent Secretaries. Going forward also, I want to advise that she remain connected with families, and she should also try and connect with people generally, because as she embarks on this journey, she's going to meet people. And finally, I want her to pay attention to her health. This is very, very important for old age. She should exercise, take her drugs when need be, rest when she needs to rest. So once again, I want to say congratulations to her. From the Lagos State Government, we have a certificate of service.